in the world of tech, if you're not using it, you will lose it. What's up, y'all? You are watching Erica Just a K, and I'm Erica, and we are in the process of rebranding. So for anyone who's new here, previously 4 or 5 years ago, I did my own nails on. That's how I started my YouTube channel, and then I started doing like the 7-day green smoothie cleanse by JJ Smith, and from there I just kind of dropped off. Even though I had great momentum back then, I just kind of dropped off. And in the interim, I did post a few videos here and there, but nothing too major. And so now I'm realizing with myself that one thing I'm going to do all the time is study. And I can't help it. I can't turn it off. I cannot turn my mind off. I'm always going to be studying or researching something. And as of now, I have dived into the world of tech and I'm learning data analytics. So today's focus is mostly going to be doing a weekly coding challenge, learning SQL. I did take the data analytics Simplified course, and that was I started it in November and I ended it in December, so I am done with the actual course, but I do still take the weekly coding challenges so that I can keep in mind until I'm ready to actually apply for a job. And I want to stay with the company that I'm with. So for anyone who asks, because I know that it's coming, for anyone who asks, I want to stay with the company that I'm with, so I have not applied out yet. I'm just waiting on my next promotion period, but I'm still gaining my knowledge and learning everything that I need to learn in the meantime. So I do the weekly coding challenges throughout the week. I normally do like one a day just so that it's not so much on me at a time. But like today, this week I did not do any at all, so I will be doing them today, and I just want to take you all along with me. Am I going to be teaching you the knowledge? Absolutely not. That is not my forte. I'm still learning. But if you just want to catch the vibes, that's what this video is for. Also on these videos, we'll be checking out new cafes. Today, I really want to try this place called Maru. It's M-A-R-U, I believe. It's sushi. So I really want to try them today, but it looks like it's going to rain, and actually it has actually started raining. So I'm going to make me some coffee, eat, and I am going to start my studying here at home, and then I'm going to gauge it by the time that I get hungry again to see if it has stopped raining, and then we can go to that place.
Tell them quit that cap. You ain't getting no money. Tell them quit that cap. Yeah. He need be relaxing. He need to do time.
So I'm literally about to just sit here, eat, drink my coffee, and do some coding, some SQL. I'm gonna do as many of the coding challenges as I can. There are 5 questions that come in each challenge for the week, so I'm going to try to do all 5, and then when I actually go there, I'll be working on something else, which would be the AWS, because I'm trying to learn AWS as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, y'all, so updates. I did not realize that I had already finished all of the weekly coding challenges. So the course, whatever tier you sign up for, it does come with 8 weekly coding challenges, and I have finished all of those. So in order to keep this information fresh on my mind, I am going to go ahead and sign up for her weekly coding challenges, which is $35 per month. And that's just so that I can keep it fresh on my mind, because in the world of tech, if you're not using it, you will lose it. So, and that's especially with coding. So in order to keep the information fresh, I'm glad that she has the weekly coding subscription. So, because like I said, if the database is interactive and I can go in, if something isn't working, I can use debugging skills to try to get it to work. And that's what I love about this course. And so, and this video is not sponsored, by the way. I do have an affiliate link with her. So if you are interested in the course, you can use my affiliate link. It's in my link tree for 20% off of either tier. I took the Pathfinder tier, it was 101, but the Explorer tier and the Pathfinder tier both have the same exact curriculum. It's just that the Pathfinder tier is 101 and the Explorer tier is in a small group. So you're more than welcome to use my affiliate link along with my code Erica for 20% off. But this particular video right here is not sponsored, but I'm gonna go ahead and sign up for the weekly coding challenge subscription, which is $35 per month. Okay, so we can say that was a short session. It has started raining outside. The sun is coming out, which is perfect. So maybe this all happened this way for a good reason. So we're gonna go ahead and get dressed and get ready to head to the sushi place. And I will see y'all once I'm in the car. Okay, so I decided to come back on camera just for a little bit to show y'all my outfit before we go. And this is the necklace that I'm wearing. I got this from Forever 21 like some years ago, and it still holds up pretty good. But this says Libra. Put this on. Okay, so we're wearing this necklace, this watch. So put this on. And then I'm just gonna put on these Coach shoes that I've only worn a few times, so might as well put them on with this because I couldn't think of anything that could go with this brown other than these shoes. So let's go ahead and put these on. And it's like 60 something outside today, so I don't really need a coat on top of this, which is great and perfect. And I opted for no socks because of the type of shoe that I'm wearing. So let's go ahead and go. Pick up our bag. My mouse. I'm gonna go ahead and take this mouse pad. So I had to do a voiceover for some of the remaining car chronicles of this video because although I had the radio turned down, my phone was still connected via USB, so my audio was muted, and I'm guessing it's to prevent copyright, but nonetheless the video must go on. What I was stating in this clip is that I didn't know Maru closed from 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and it was during the 3 o'clock hour when I made it, so I decided to kill some time by checking out this place that I saw along the way. It's called Re-Invintage. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so we made it back to Maru about 10 minutes early, and I could see them preparing to open, so I decided to go a couple doors down to Big Pens. So let's go ahead and check out their wine selection.
We in the bag and we bugging the TI. And I'm with a bad bitch in the garden of this. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. That burn the blood, she's not holding shots. So you know that this bad, watch her blow. Now she gets away.
One of my favorite wines currently is Black and Bruised by Purple Toad. The regular version is sweet and it is so good, but they do make it in a semi-sweet and a zero sugar version, which I typically stick to the zero sugar version. They didn't have the semi-sweet or the zero sugar, so I just opted for the Lola. I know that one already, so I went ahead and got that. Here's the section for their zero proof wine and vodka and tequila. Sometimes I don't always want alcohol, but I still want to wind down. And I know there are things like tart cherry. I have some tart cherry supplements at home instead of drinking so much sugar in the tart cherry juice to make like the Sleepy Girl mocktail. So I was thinking about using some of this and just taking one of my tart cherry supplements or mixing it in with this along with like a flavor to go into it as well. But I don't want to spend $32 on something that I might not like. So I want to know if anybody has used these before and what are your opinions on them. Like, what do they do for real? So just let me know. We finally made it to Maru, and as you all could see, the ambiance and the environment was everything to me. I loved it. It was so clean and sleek, but yet very warm and inviting. I ordered the spicy chicken. It came with a side salad as well as some vegetables and fried rice. I also wanted to try a sake. Didn't realize that it was 12% before I ordered. 12%. There's no way I could eat all of this. But the cap, like I can't take it home because it's an open container. So, but it was only $15, so I guess that's okay. But I definitely cannot drink all of this. That's too much. I'm doing the data analytics learning plan on AWS. The first one that I'm starting with is the Amazon EMR getting started. Do that one. And it gives you a course description. So the intended audience is architects, data engineers, and developers. Recommended skills. This is the course outline. And over here, you just enroll. Sign into Skill Builder. Create or sign in. After you sign in, you get the same screen, but over here is a little different. So it's telling me to keep learning from Amazon AMR Get It Started, because I already started it yesterday, but I didn't get far. So it does give you a tutorial when you first get on here on how to use the digital course. So it is just a bunch of reading, which works perfect for the setting that I'm in. So I'm about to go ahead and read through all of this. So my food finally arrives, and it didn't take long, but when I first tasted the spicy chicken, it definitely had a kick to it, but it was something that I was quickly able to get used to, and it was pretty good. I wasn't expecting for it to be saucy. Thought it was going to be more fried or seared, but I was still okay with it. It was pretty good, and I enjoyed my time here. Now, I'm brand new to the Amazon AWS or EMR system, but I was happy to see that they still use some SQL commands such as the from, where, group by, and order by. But in the steps, it also advises to download a text editor. So I did that. I didn't go too much further than that, but I did download the text editor and I put some of the code in there. But I definitely have to play around with it some more. So yeah, just stay tuned for my upcoming videos because this is definitely the move.
We went triple platinum on it.